Hi, welcome to MicroThermics. We are the world leader in R&D and small-scale UHT, HTST, pasteurization, and aseptic processing for beverages and liquid foods. We help you get your new products from development to production quickly and easily while reducing your costs. In our 30-year history, we've worked with thousands of new products, like juices and beverages, dairy and plant-based milks, protein drinks, puddings, sauces, and more. You eat or drink something every day that was developed on MicroThermics equipment. Commercially, these products must be sterilized or pasteurized to be sold, but these processes change them. So when developing new products, you must be able to accommodate these changes. But how can you prove your formulas work at production processing conditions? Boiling on the benchtop doesn't give you the right results. Using production equipment is way too expensive, and pilot equipment is cumbersome and inaccurate. Well, we change processing in R&D from a hurdle into a tool. Our small pasteurizers and aseptic processors are the most accurate way to simulate production processes. They are also easy to own and easy to use and enable you to make dozens of batches in a day. We also provide full R&D processing services in our FDA-registered lab. Send us your ingredients and we'll send you fully processed product samples. Don't know what process to use? No problem. We also provide process development, process matching, and other consulting services. Our clients include the largest food and beverage companies in the world, universities, research agencies, and even startups. We will work with you to answer a few simple questions and then provide you with a complete solution to your processing needs. Headquartered in the USA, we have an extensive global network of representatives and agents to help you. We have sales and service staff in the USA and India, and a growing network of technical distributors in Japan, China, and Southeast Asia, Central and South America, Europe, Africa, and other regions. Click or call to get more information and let us help you get your products to market faster and easier while saving money. MicroThermics is always innovating for you.